I don't know about you, but I look back on my life and there's been plenty of times where I have gotten in my own way. You know, I remember as a golfer, as a child, for instance, learning golf, being naturally good at it, and then starting to read golf books and starting to get golf lessons and starting to look outside to authorities about the right way to do it. And I lost touch with my natural abilities through that. And I saw that happen in other areas of life as well, in communication, in being a naturally decent communicator, and then studying it in college, and then getting confused because of becoming overly analytical, getting in my own way. I've seen it in other areas of life. I've seen other people do it. Just think about how oftentimes people, when they have a decision to make, what do? They go, what do you think? What do you think? They go to different people asking for their advice. And it's been said that one of the worst vices is advice. Because ultimately, no one can tell us what to do. Only we can really know what's right for us. What works for one person may not work for us. And that's why it's really a good story just to remind us to tune into what is our guidance. Instead of right away going to other people and say, what do you think? It's humility to go within, to get the ego out of the way, which is confused and wants other people to tell us what they think and wants validation and doesn't trust itself. And what I'm saying here is to turn within first, and to, if there's a problem, if there's something you want to get better at, or you're seeking an answer, go within first and see if you can find an answer there. Thank you for watching. We upload new videos and content every week to inspire and empower you on your spiritual journey. We look forward to seeing you again soon.